Hi folks, this video is going to cover the basics of Android. It's intended for that iOS user who's thinking about TAC and wants to know how to use the Android operating system. The fact is that there are way more similarities than there are differences. I'm a Mac user, I'm an iPhone user, and I've come to find out that Android is not that much different. The first thing we're going to cover is the navigation buttons at the bottom of the screen. Starting from left to right, we have the 3 lines in a row. That is the app switcher. The circle in the middle is the home button. And the arrow pointing to the left is the back button. Now I'm going to launch some apps and show you how these tools work. I launch ATAC. ATAC opens up and starts loading. And I can immediately go to the home button in the center. And ATAC will continue to load and run in the background. Now let's open another app. We'll open up Chrome. It opens on tech.gov. And go back home. We'll open a third app. Let's open up the Google Play Store. If I hit the home button, now I have 3 apps running in the background. On the left, I can hit the app switcher and I can see my 3 apps. Got ATAC, Chrome, and Google Play. Open up Google Play. I'm going to show you how the back button works in this particular application. So if I search for an app, let's say Candy Crush, and now it takes me to the Candy Crush install page. If I hit the back button, lower right, it takes me back where I was. We'll use the app switcher. We'll open up Chrome. Now I'm going to go to the NIFC FTP website. If I'm here, lower right, if I hit the back button, it takes me back to the page I was on before. Go to the app switcher, go to ATAC, and we'll show you how the back button works in ATAC. If I open up the overlay menu and I hit the back button, it takes me back where I was. If I open up data packages and I hit the back button, it takes me back where I was. Last thing I'm going to show you is closing apps via the app switcher. Lower left, app switcher. If I swipe up on an app, it closes it, just like iOS. One of the other similar functions between iOS and Android is the notification and quick settings menu that come from the top of the screen. If I drag down from the top of the screen, I get my notifications. You can see that apps that are running in the background, someone had sent me a message to Mattermost, I'm connected to Team Connect. And then if I scroll down again from the top, I get to these quick settings. So this is where I can turn on and off Wi-Fi. I can set my mobile hotspot. You can see that the screen recorder is running, and other options. Again, this is very similar between iOS and Android. On any device, a common thing to want to get to is the settings. On Android, you just scroll down from the top, click on the gear, and now you can get to all the settings for the device. Now I'm going to cover the file structure for Android. To get to it on a Samsung device, you need to get to the My Files. I'm going to scroll up here, open up My Files, and this is the File Explorer. You can see up top, you see 5 new files I've recently added. I've got a category so I could go straight to videos or images or documents or downloads. And then I can explore further in my storage. So I have internal storage. I can go to my Google Drive and network storage and also empty the trash. This is very similar to what you'd have on an iPhone or a Mac or a Windows machine. If you're an Apple user and have been hesitant to get a dedicated Android device for ATAC, I hope this video was helpful in showing off how easy and similar Android is to iOS. Thanks for watching.